Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney will resume trade talks with U.S. President Donald Trump after Canada said late Sunday it was rescinding a digital services tax on American tech companies. The Canadian government said it was rescinding the digital services tax in anticipation of a mutually beneficial comprehensive trade arrangement with the United States. Consistent with this action, Prime Minister Carney and President Trump have agreed that parties will resume negotiations with a view towards agreeing on a deal by July 21, 2025. Canada's Department of Finance said in a news release. It added that a June 30, 2025 collection will be halted, and legislation is pending to rescind the Digital Services Tax Act. Canada's Digital Services Tax took effect in June 2024 and requires large businesses, whether they're headquartered in Canada or elsewhere, to pay a 3% tax on revenue earned from engaging with online users in Canada if they meet certain conditions. Trump terminated trade discussions with Canada on Friday, citing the digital services tax on American tech companies like Amazon, Meta, Google, and Apple, among others, as the reason. They are obviously copying the European Union, which has done the same thing, and is currently under discussion with us also. Based on this egregious tax, we are hereby terminating all discussions on trade with Canada, effective immediately, Trump wrote in a post on Truth Social. Trump said the administration will inform Canada within the next 7-day period of what tariff it will pay to do business with the U.S. The president added in his post that Canada is a very difficult country to trade with, and claimed that Canada has levied tariffs of up to 400% on U.S. dairy products. The breakdown in trade talks followed the two leaders' G7 meeting early this month, and Carney saying they had agreed to wrap up a new economic agreement within 30 days. The U.S. is Canada's largest trading partner, while Canada is the largest importer of American exports and one of the top 3 sources of U.S. imports. Canada had escaped Trump's broad tariffs imposed in April, but faces 50% duties on steel and aluminum. This is Rachel Pierce, and you've been watching Alert Desk USA, where the facts come first. Stay safe, stay informed.